So this smile mudra therapy or touch therapy as I call it was very simplistic, very easy to understand and appreciate. And the best part what is made me smile. So I found it very attractive and immediately I booked 2-3 sessions with Dr. Mali and I found that his philosophy was simple. There was not too much jumbo bumbo about this philosophy, that philosophy. All he said was do this, touch this and it will resolve. And it resolved. So this attracted me to this whole camp. When I came to know and I found out that Dr. Mali was holding a camp here in a beautiful place in Ahmednagar, which is next to this Mula Dam, I thought that this was the best time to reconnect with nature and also probably find out and give your body, mind and soul a chance. Now this is something unique that none of the treatments that I had come across were treating with the body, mind and soul together. So here he gave me a philosophy and he explained bits and pieces from the beginning. What is this philosophy about? How he had learnt it and acquired it from a great Korean scientist who was his guru. And later on he translated it into action and wanted to give it to people. Now the whole theory has its own basic fundamentals based on the Indian philosophy of Panchatattva and so on and so forth. What happens is it further takes you, makes it easy to understand for a simple person like me, and it also is easy for me to translate into real action. Being an Air Force man, I'm an action man. So I believe in action. I don't believe too much into words. And here was Dr. Mali and his therapy which said, okay, with the smile therapy, all you can do is use this basic mudras, treat yourself. Again, the best part was to treat yourself, not to go again and again to another conventional medicine or any of the astrology or any of astrophysics, but to treat yourself. And that is what attracted me to the camp. Now the second beautiful point of this camp is that it has got all the Panchatattwas. It has got the air, the wind, the energy, and all the 5 elements are there. So you are in touch with nature, and when your learning doesn't happen by just listening to what he's saying, but subconsciously you are absorbing the Panchatattva and their elements, 5 elements, and then it translates into the mudras. I am going from here after 2 days, a very learned man. These 2 days look like 20 days, and I have promised him that any other camp that he is holding, I am going to be part of it again and again. And people are wonderful. So like attracts like. So probably there was some goodness in me. So God was kind enough to attract me to Dr. Mali's camp, and again to all the lovely people who are here. And I wish Dr. Mali a lot of success, because his venture is very, very genuine, very spiritual, very founded, and it is based on values which are in today's world are very, very slowly vanishing. So he talks of environment where the whole world is moving towards, urbanization, civilized, making more and more buildings. He's talking to the nature. This is what I think is attractive to one and all. People of next generation, people of my generation, people of today's hectic work that the IT people or the other people in the civil world are having. I think this is a camp this is a philosophy they must come back to, so that slowly but surely, if not in next 2 years, 5 years, but maybe in next 50 years, we will be going back to the fundamentals. That is earth, water, fire, air and lightning. Okay, so with that I wish the whole team, there was a beautiful teamwork which was gone behind Dr. Mali. There was great support by the place owner, Mr. Shirsat, and there was a teamwork, as like in any other great success. There is a teamwork and this team is very dedicated. So I wish them all the best. I wish them good luck, and I also tell them good show, great job done. Thank you.